In the heart of India, deep within the wilds of Madhya Pradesh, lies the Satpura Tiger Reserve, a sanctuary of astonishing biodiversity. Here, the regal tiger prowls through dense forests, the elusive leopard moves with grace, and the sloth bear forages under the cover of twilight. Amidst this natural splendor flows the Denwa River, a lifeline teeming with life. Its waters are home to the formidable mugger crocodile, while its skies host an ever-changing cast of birds, both the resident and the migratory, drawn to this haven by the rhythms of the seasons. To safeguard this fragile ecosystem, a remarkable innovation has been introduced: the Destiny Series solar electric boat by Navalt. This extraordinary vessel, gliding silently across the river's surface, it leaves no trace of emissions, no disruptive hum of an engine, and no scent of fuel. Just the quiet harmony of nature is a marvel of engineering and conservation. Powered by twin 12.5 kilowatt-hour Ray LFP battery packs, 2 kilowatt solar panels, and Mako 8 kilowatt electric outboard motors, the boat glides effortlessly, cruising smoothly at 6 knots for up to 4 hours, silent, serene, and seamless. The boat moves as if part of the landscape itself. With it, visitors can explore this wild paradise, immersing themselves fully in the sights and sounds of the reserve without disturbing its delicate balance. A journey aboard the Destiny boat is not merely a means of transport, it is a profound connection with the untamed beauty of the natural world.